Welcome to I'm Engineer channel. Here I'm going to explain how to check the bearing clearance. Sample bearing I'm taking 23218 double spherical taper roller bearing. We're checking the balls, all balls are fine or not. We have to rotate all the balls and check the inner surface. There is no any deformation found. So now we're going to be check the feeler gauge sizes. This bearing is a 0.05 to 0.1. This is what the manufacturer recommended clearance. Now we're going to be take 0.06 feeler. You can see I'm taking 0.06 feeler, and then I'm going to insert the feeler gauge between ball and the cages and push the feeler to and fro. This is not passing through, so mean the bearing is in good condition. That's all. Thank you.